Generation of computers. Students, as we know about computer, a computer is an electronic machine that can store, find and arrange information, calculate amounts and control other machines. So today, let's now discuss the development in computer technology over the different generations. So, look at the table below. You know about the generation of computers. First generation. And first generation, what is the year of first generation? 1940 to 1955. Features of first generations are built using vacuum tube. So फर्स्ट जनरेशन में कंप्यूटर में यूज़ किया जाता था वैक्यूम ट्यूब. Slow operating system, long processing time, so it takes time for processing, okay, and it was slow operating system. Produced large amount of heat. So first generation का जो computer था that produced large amount of heat. Okay, now what are the example of first generation's computer? UNIVAC, ENIAC and EDVAC. Okay, these three examples are for first generation computers. Now second is second generation. Year was 1956 to 1963. Features are used to transistor. So students, transistors used in this second generation's computer, okay, that made up of silicon or germanium. So transistor made up of silicon or germanium that used in second generation's computer, right? And the year is 1956 to 1963. Comparatively smaller in size, it was smaller in size with less processing time and as compared to first generation computer. Okay, comparatively smaller in size as compared to first generation computer, it was smaller in size and जनरेटेड लेस हीट. ओके, फर्स्ट जनरेशन का कंप्यूटर बहुत ज़्यादा अमाउंट में हीट प्रोड्यूस करता था बट सेकेंड जनरेशन का कंप्यूटर ओके इतनी हीट प्रोड्यूस नहीं करता है, राइट. जनरेटेड लेस हीट दस लेस prone to failure and examples are IBM 1400 and 7049 series, IBM 350. Next is third generation. Year is 1964 to 1971. Features are use of integrated chip that called IC. Okay, so that called IC chip. Used of integrated chip. So they have used in this third generation computer IC chip and it was smaller in size as compared to second generation computer. It was reliable, efficient, increase in speed, commercially cheap and low maintenance. Okay, so second generation के computer से now it has improved. It was smaller in size and increased in speed. Okay, example is IBM computer. Fourth generation computer, year is 1972 to 1980. You can see this picture, okay. You can see previous pictures also how they look like. Now in the fourth generation computer it is similar as today's computer, not as much similar. अभी तो हमने बहुत ज़्यादा बहुत अच्छे अच्छे कंप्यूटर्स आ रहे हैं, ठीक है. LED आ रही है, LCD आ रही है कंप्यूटर्स में, डेस्कटॉप बहुत अच्छे फीचर्स आ रहे हैं. सो पहले जो कंप्यूटर चलते थे वो ऐसे कंप्यूटर थे. ओके, यू कैन सी द पिक्चर्स ऑल्सो. नाउ फोर्थ जनरेशन कंप्यूटर, ईयर इज 1972 to 1980. Smaller in size, faster, reliable, accurate, portable, more powerful, compact, low maintenance, cheap, affordable. So now इसने भी बहुत ज़्यादा improve किया है as compared to third generation computer. It gave rise to personal computers leading to internet and networking system. तो इस टाइम पे इंटरनेट एंड नेटवर्किंग सिस्टम भी आ चुका था और ये बहुत ज़्यादा रिलायबल था, पोर्टेबल था, मेंटेन करने के लिए बहुत इजी होता था एंड it was affordable also, so we can afford that computer. Example is IBM PC, Apple Macintosh. Next is fifth generation computer. Year is 1982 present, means 1982 present अभी तक, right? Features are still in development phase. अभी भी डेवलपमेंट चल रहा है, ठीक है, जितना डेवलपमेंट हो सकता है कर सकते हैं. बेस्ड ऑन आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस, एबल टू लर्न फ्रॉम देयर इंटरेक्शन विद सराउंडिंग, capable of understanding human speech. Okay, so now example is Cortana CD. So this is the first generation computer and 1982 present. Okay, it has improved a lot and इसने बहुत ज़्यादा improvement किया है. Even we have phone and that is also a kind of computer, right? We can do any work in our phone, whatever work we want to do. ठीक है, हमें we don't need any computer to operate, to do any kind of work. We can do any work now the time in our phone also, right? So these are the features and this is the generation of computer. I hope you have learned about generation of computers.